Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? And welcome back to DATFAMILY5. My name is Latoya and I'm a wife and mother, and we are a family of 5. And today I am participating in a collab called the Spring Swap Box. And so my person, her name is kind of like a secret Santa for the spring. Yes. And so my person, her name is Hannah, and her YouTube page is Hannah Living Blessed. And she is a single mom to a 4-year-old beautiful little thing named Sarah, and she is so cute. She does, her YouTube channel is a cleaning channel and a motivation channel. So I hope you go over there and give her some love. So here's my box. All the way from California, hey y'all. Yes, so exciting. I'm excited because it's way across the country. Like literally across the country, like whoop, like across, like it's crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box up. I'm gonna put y'all down this way so y'all can see what I is doing.
Baby, no te hago el favor, hacemos el amor. Eso es a puro vapor. Y es que se siente mejor si es penalti y pedimos el VAR. A lo Messi te meto ese gol. En la disco queremos perrear. Y a solas pues darnos calor. Down, 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 yeah, yeah.
I'm hoping that y'all can see me. Y'all see my puppies in the back. This one right here. That one right there. That one. Never too far from me, y'all. Never too far, okay? Aww. There's a little letter. Aww, so sweet. Alright, so she actually has a box. It's like a gift box. I didn't even think to do this. Girl, you creative. I like it. And it has the colors blues on it. Y'all know I love my blues. Alright, where is my knife? Oh, there you go. This is actually exciting, y'all, because, you know, it's just exciting. So I can't wait till everybody else does their video. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so much fun. So the playlist is going to be in the description box below. Go ahead and after this video, head on over there, okay, and show all the lovely ladies that did the swap some love. Yes. So, and she has an Etsy shop, and so kind of excited. Yeah, I'm one of those people who don't tear paper. Like I'm going to use it again, but it's about to get torn, so I'm excited.
Would that be cool?
It's blue snowflakes.
Butterfly.
That's so cool, right? It's so cool. All right, so let me. 1, 2. Okay. So we're gonna see what we got. So, oh snap! Y'all, she paid attention. Taz keyring. Do y'all see that? Yeah. I'm gonna hit you guys so real quick. I didn't even notice that I was wearing my Looney Tune t-shirt. So if you look, Taz is like right here on my shirt. I was like, oh my goodness. So didn't plan that at all. But yeah. He right there too. Y'all see him? Hey, yeah, he's right there. He always with me, y'all. And then she got me some hair scrunchies. So exciting. Some Looney Tune socks. Of course, with pads on it. These are so cute, y'all. I'm so excited. What else? Skincare day. Yes. Let's see. She got me some Haribo gummy worms. And I've never seen these on this side, so this must be a California thing, which is pretty cool. I've never seen these over here. Thank you, Hannah. I'm so excited. got me some Sponge Daddy. This is cool. Not Scrub Daddy, but a Sponge Daddy. This is really, really cool. Because y'all know I like the Scrub Daddies. I've never seen these. Like, never. Must be a California thing. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see what else we got. We got some melts. Island coconut creamsicle. Y'all want to smell? Let's smell. Ooh. That smells real good. Yes. That smells really good. Alright, let's see. She got some blush. And it's electric berry scented body lotion. My hands are a little ashy, so let's go ahead and try this out real quick.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. This is the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl.
It's terrible. This ash is just. It's cold here. It's cold here on this side of the world. You know what I mean? Freezing. So. Smells good and fresh. Smells real good. Okay. Alright, so let's see what's left. She gave me a planner. I like it. And it's just a monthly one, but I like it. It'll be good for school. And then the last thing is so she has an Etsy shop and it's called Hannah's Humble Hands, and it's one of her portraits from her Etsy shop, and it's pretty and it's blue. Y'all saw it's so pretty, and she already has it in the frame, which is pretty darn cool. I like it. Y'all see? Like, I like it a lot. It's pretty cool. She did a good job, didn't she, y'all? She did amazing, amazing, amazing work, Hannah. Thank you so much. I'm gonna put it right here on my desk. So, let me show y'all little by little what everything is. So we got the Scrub Daddy, Sponge Daddy. We got our planner, some Looney Tunes socks. Marvin Mustard is my second, with some tan socks. Y'all know, yes. And then some Haribo rainbow worms, so cool. And then she got me some scrunchies. Exciting. I like this green one. St. Patrick's Day is coming, so I'll be wearing this one. Yes. Some lotion. A Taz keychain. Some wonderful smelling melts. Some self-care, a mask for my face. And her portrait from her Etsy shop. So I want to thank y'all so much for joining me on this video and on this collab. Thank you, Hannah, from all the way from California, IA. Yes, 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 this was so much fun, so much fun. I have fun going and looking for things for her. That was fun. I can't wait to see her reaction when she opens her box. So I'll be in the playlist with y'all down below. All right, you guys, I also forgot to say, if you're coming over from any other channel that is on our playlist, hey, how you doing? Welcome to Toya. Welcome to That Family 5. We are a family that does cleaning, motivation, lifestyle videos, and blogs here on this channel. I really hope that y'all enjoyed our video enough to subscribe and join the family. And hey. And yeah. And if you're one of mine going over there, don't forget to let me know that Toya sent you. Love you. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to comment down below who you are and where you're from. Because you know that me and my family, me and my husband like to talk to y'all in the comments below. Thank y'all so much. We love you so much. As always, we are the family that loves life and having fun and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. We thank you for spending time with us because time is precious. Be blessed. See y'all on the tube, guys. Bye, y'all.